Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that many of us aspire to achieve: becoming rich. But there's a thing: most people never make it there. Why is that? Well, that's what we're going to explore in today's video. So grab a pen and paper because we're about to uncover the reasons why most people will never be rich. Before we begin, let's take a moment to grasp the magnitude of the wealth gap. Did you know that a small percentage of the population holds the majority of the world's wealth? It's a shocking reality, but it doesn't mean that you can't strive for financial success. However, there are several common pitfalls that hinder most individuals from reaching that coveted status of being rich. Reason number one: lack of financial literacy. Imagine playing a game without knowing the rules. That's what it's like trying to build wealth without financial knowledge. From budgeting to investing, understanding these concepts is crucial. But don't worry, that's why we're here. We'll equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. Reason number two: living beyond your means. Overspending, accumulating debt, and constantly chasing immediate gratification can keep you trapped in a cycle of financial struggle. It's time to break free from this habit and develop disciplined spending, saving, and investing patterns. By aligning your lifestyle with your financial goals, you can take significant strides towards wealth creation. Reason number three: lack of financial plan. Failing to plan is planning to fail, and it couldn't be truer when it comes to wealth building. Without a clear roadmap and long-term goals, you might find yourself lost in the sea of day-to-day expenses. But fear not, there are things you can do to create a solid financial plan that empowers you to make wise decisions and secure your financial future. Reason number four: fear of investing. Investing can seem daunting, especially for those who have never dipped their toes in the market. But here's the truth: investing is a key driver of wealth creation. Investment world is the way most people grow their wealth. Reason number five: limited income growth. Being stuck in a low-paying job or having limited opportunities for career advancement can feel discouraging. However, by investing in personal development, acquiring new skills, and exploring alternative income streams, you can break free from those limitations and open doors to higher earning potential. Reason number six: lack of discipline and patience. Building wealth takes time and requires discipline. We live in an era of instant gratification, but true financial success comes from making consistent, prudent choices over the long term. Therefore, you want to make sure you develop discipline and patience if you ever want to succeed financially. Reason number seven: ineffective financial habits. Poor money management habits can be detrimental to your wealth building journey, which is why you want to make sure that you implement strong financial habits which will help you gain control of your finances and accelerate your path to financial independence. Reason number eight: lack of income diversification. Relying solely on a single source of income can be risky and limit your wealth building potential. Therefore, you want to make sure that you start side hustles, investments, or even entrepreneurship. By diversifying your income sources, you will not only increase your earning potential, but also protect yourself from financial setbacks. Reason number nine: inherited financial disadvantages. Lack of knowledge is one of the key reasons why most people have situations in their life. Some individuals face systemic barriers or grow up in a disadvantaged environment that make it harder to build wealth. However, it's important to remember that overcoming these challenges is possible. So you never want to give up on yourself. So there you have it. These are the top reasons why most people today will never achieve true wealth. But let me be clear, these reasons are not insurmountable. With the right mindset, knowledge, and strategies, you can overcome these obstacles and pave your way to financial prosperity. It all starts with a decision. So take a pen and paper, make a commitment to yourself right now, commit to learning, taking action, and to never settle for anything less when it comes to your financial future. Remember, you have the power to shape your financial destiny. So make sure you stay tuned to our channel where we'll dive deeper into each of these topics and equip you with the tools you need to thrive financially. Thanks for watching, and until next time, remember to chase your dreams, invest in your knowledge, and build a prosperous future. You've got this. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.